I am making my take on a chicken corn chowder tonight. I saw this recipe, someone posted it or YouTubed it or something, I don't know. So I'm actually gonna put my own special touches on it. So I'm kind of excited. It looks super good. I'm gonna basically follow the recipe I saw, but I am gonna just add my own special touches like I said, because that's just what I do. So if you hear the TV in the background, my daughter is in her playroom, so just ignore that. Okay, y'all, so in here I have about 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I just put salt, pepper, and garlic powder on them. And I went ahead and just put them on high in the crock pot to get a head start while I cook the rest of it. And then I just have some chopped red potatoes. I mean, I tried to make them all even, but you know, you live and you learn, you know. I tried. Anyways, this is the red potatoes. It's just 5 small red potatoes. And then I have some sauteed onion over here. I'm gonna add into the chowder just because I really like sauteed onion. It smells so good. A little bit of grass-fed butter in there. It's just gonna really bring this chicken corn chowder to life. I'm loving this cutting board that I got from Aldi's, by the way. It came in a pack of like 5. I think I mentioned this in a different video. But they're plastic and they're like flexible, and they were like $5, and they're all like a setup for cross-contamination, so you don't like cross-contaminate, you know, like cutting chicken and then cutting strawberries. So this one is for my vegetables, and it's so easy. I can do it with one hand. Boom. Okay, and now I'm just putting in the sauteed onion. It smells so good in my house right now, you guys. I just added some garlic powder, pepper, and salt. I'm loving Himalayan pink sea salt. I think that's how you say it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna add 1 can of regular corn. And then I'm gonna do 1 can of creamed corn. I did drain the regular corn, by the way, in case you're wondering. And now I'm gonna take some chicken broth. It's probably about 2 cups. I'm not gonna measure it. It's just whatever I have left in here that I need to use up that was in my refrigerator. So it's about 2 cups of chicken broth. We're just gonna pour that all on top. I can already hear the chicken kind of cooking, so that's good. I like my chicken to get good and cooked. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna take a spoon and just kind of stir everything together. And then we're gonna let this cook on high for 4 hours. And when we come back, we'll see how it's cooking. Okay guys, so everything is in here. You've got your corn, your cream corn, you have potatoes, chicken, our seasonings, sauteed onion, and what we're gonna do is cook this on high for 4 hours. I guess you could cook it on low for 8 hours, but I mean, who has time for that, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, put the lid on, let this cook for 4 hours. When we come back, we're gonna see how it's looking. We're probably gonna add some either heavy whipping cream or half and half. We'll just play it by ear and see how it looks. One of the ways we're saving at Aldi is that me and her drink a lot of almond milk, and we pay like $2.99 for Silk almond milk. This is $1.89. It's the 60-calorie one, basically the same ingredients. Like, I'm about to open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. The chicken looks and smells really good. The potatoes are kind of soft. They're not too soft though. So I'm gonna mix this around a little bit and just kind of like, the chicken is already falling apart, but I'm just gonna kind of like, not really shred it, but just chunk it up. It's literally just falling apart. This smells really good, you guys. But what we're gonna do, and I forgot to mention this earlier, we're gonna add some cheese. So I'm gonna start with a cup and just see what it looks like. We might end up adding more. And I'm also gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that into there. Okay, so in goes a cup of cheese. I'm just gonna stir this around and kind of see if I think I need to add more cheese or whatever. This is totally customizable too. I'm just gonna kind of give it a rough stir to just kind of break up the chicken. Guys, this chicken is falling apart. I use chicken thighs. You could totally use chicken breasts as well. Look at that. It really just thickened up into like a nice, like, that having whipping. Okay, this is looking so good, you guys. So you could use half and half too if you wanted. I just happen to have heavy whipping cream, and it thickened it up so nicely. It smells so good. I'm really ready to try this. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. You guys, this was so simple, and it turned out way better than I thought it would, and it's toddler approved. My 3-year-old absolutely loved it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.